What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Kicks Music and Art. And today is our final day of unboxing week, and we're going to end it off with a bang. The sponsor of today's video is Hybe.com. Hybe.com is a virtual unboxing, and I love it. I've been using them for years. It gives you a chance to win Grail level sneakers, items, whatever it is you want. Now, just for being a part of the Kicks Music and Art family, I'm going to make sure that you get a chance to win your own free box. All right, we're going to work with $150 today. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so they have a ton of different categories here. Bags, sneakers. For her, for him, streetwear, all that. As you scroll through, you see what's going on. Calls, figures, watches. You know I like watches. All kind of stuff. Let's keep scrolling. Y'all know what I'm here for. The sneakers. Okay, so they got a ton of different boxes here. From one that starts at $181. All the way down to a box that's at what, $2 and some change. So not bad, not bad. You get a good variety. You get to check out what you want to buy. Let's check out this Hybe box. Like I said, $273. You'll always get a product that is valued between $354.20 to 50 cents plus some Hybe points. Okay, which is kind of cool. Let's see what we're gonna go for. I mean, should we start here? You got decent items in here. You know, they got some Jordan 1, some Travis Scott merch, Antisocial Social Club, Supreme stuff. You know, some things. Not a bunch, but hey. Let's see. Kind of like those Fly E's, even though I wouldn't wear them, but I like what they're made for. Travis Scott stuff, Supreme stuff. Let's do it. Why not? All right, let's see what's in this first box. $1? Okay, not bad, not bad. Let's see. And it also shows you at the top how many flame points you got with it. Let's try it again. Let's do another one. $0.50. Ain't nothing wrong with that. You know, it is a $2.73 box. Not bad. All right, let's go back. Let's see. Let's check out. I don't know. It's a bunch of different stuff. Virgil Favorites, Air Max Deluxe, Hype Beast, Off Budget. That's funny. All kind of stuff, man. Random Collection, the Hybe box, Random Budget, Hybe box. I don't know. Maybe we check that out. Random Collection look like it might have some stuff in there. Straight up Cactus Jack. Let's see. All right, let's check out this Hybe box. $10.54, not bad at all. Supreme, Supreme, Supreme. Everybody loves Supreme. Supreme's, it's all right. V-Long shirts. Knock the football gloves. Vans. Look, you got an 86% chance of winning some Vans. That's crazy. Wait, let me check that again. Yeah, 86%. That's nuts. It's a very high high chance of winning That's crazy. Vape towel. I'll be all right without a vape towel. And of course, $10 cash, all that. All right, guys, should we go for it? Why not? Let's do it. $10. Hey, the box is $10.54. You know what I'm saying? That's not bad. It's not bad at all. Basically got this box for free. And it goes right back. I just noticed that it goes right back to the total. So look, we went through what? 3 boxes just now, and we at $145.50. So what's that? $4.50 we spent. Hey, we winning. We winning. Let's try another one. Let's see what we got. Oh, Pop Smoke V Long Shirt. Hey, shake it, shake it, shake it. Move back, baby. Move back, baby. Woo! All right, now that we got that, let's do another one. I'm feeling lucky now. That just got me hyped. That charged me up right there. Okay, $10, $10. Can't beat that, you know. It's all good. Low-key hype about that Pop Smoke shirt. Like, that's crazy. All right, let's check out another box. Let's test our luck. Let's test our luck. Let's see what we got. Man, it's so much. It's so much. We just did the high box. Let's check out the random collection. Let's see what's in here. Yo, if I hit on one of these, I'm good. I don't need nothing else. I need them Salehis so bad. Let's see what else we got. Cause Blazers, V-Long, more V-Long. Let's see. All different kind of stuff in here. Another vape towel in here, I see. It's all right. Let me go back. I like the shoes in the other box than I did in that one, since that's what we're here for, guys. Let's see. Hype Beast box. Look like they got some fire stuff in there. Off budget box. Cactus Jack basketball box. Let's check this out. Let's see how we do with that. Got mad shoes in here, which is fire. Like, I'm not complaining about that. Mad shoes. Some of these shorts are fire. Dope, they got basketball cards in here. Blazers, okay. Funko Pops, $10. Space Jam Funko Pop. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what we get. Hey, a vape towel. But you know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and exchange that. I don't really need that. So yeah, let's exchange that. What's good, everybody? I'm jumping in here right quick to catch some of this hype action on the phone. But before I continue, I know you guys enjoy watching me do this, but how about I give you a box for free so you can join the hype community and unbox your own? Click the link below. It's that simple. Oh yeah, as far as this phone content we about to get, head over to TikTok. Click the link below, but do that after you watch this. Stay tuned, we got more. Alright, we back. The phone was live. Let's check out this Hypebeast collection. Salehis, need those. You know what? Let's do it. Let's go get us something good. $25. Not bad, not bad. The box was what, 32? We made most of it back. Let me see. Should we keep going? Let's try another one. Let's go back. Let's see. Easy breezy. Grab me some Yeezy. All right, guys, about to hop back on the phone to get a little more. But before I do that, make sure you're subscribed here and also follow on my TikTok and Instagram to get that free hide box. The link is below. I appreciate you guys. Let's go. All right, we back. Hop back on the phone right quick. I actually going to merge those two videos together. Let's check out this hide box. We got, what, $39 left. Let's run it back. Let's just run these out. I'm with that. Try again. I done selected all this stuff. Let's see. Another 10. Let's keep going. What's up with this load screen at the bottom? That's kind of crazy. I don't know. Let me unselect this. All right, another one. Like DJ Khaled, another one. Let's see what we get. This thing not pulling up. What's going on? All right, $5. $5. All right. Another one. $10. Let's go. It's just giving us more time to play. That's all. They don't want us to leave yet. Another one. $10. Like I said, they don't want us to leave. We're going to keep playing now. Another one. Yo, I might as well be DJ Khaled's like protege for all these 10s that I'm getting because I keep, and bet you, here's another one. $10, another one. They don't want us to leave. That's kind of funny though. I ain't even gonna lie. That's kind of funny. It took a minute for that to add to the account, but let's pull another one. Y'all saw that? Y'all probably did. $10. What was that, like 6 in a row? This might be the last one. This might be the last one. 5, okay. That ended our $10 streak. All right, down. Did not mean to click that. We are down to $7.78. Let's go back to the other boxes. Let's go down. Let's hit up this that budget box that we started with. Maybe we can finish it off here. All right, let's go. Let's run it up. $1. Another one. $0.50. All right. $1. It's like they just keeping us in here just long enough to keep going. All right, we at 209. I'm not going to re-up. I'm just going to let it play out. That's about it. I'm going to actually show y'all how to redeem your items now. Just stay tuned for that. Let's go down. As you see, we got that Pop Smoke. Woo, woo. All right. Of course, I had to blur out all my personal information, so don't worry about that. Size large. Now see, there is shipping, of course, and with my size, it's an extra little $4.40. We click top up, you add the money that you need to add, so you can check out. Put 22 bucks in there, because I already got 209. Pay with my card. And you think you about to see that? No. Go ahead, hide that. Don't worry about where I live. Don't worry about where I live. Boom. All right. Simple as that. You see, super duper easy to redeem your stuff. Back to the website. Now that we read up, we're gonna check out. Gotta go back. Size, large, extra 440. All right, scroll down. You can't see it right there, but we just redeemed our shirt. Our item is ordered, confirmed. We're gonna turn that into flame. All right, there you have it. That was unboxing week. We ended off with a bang. We got a Pop Smoke V-Lone shirt coming in soon, guys. When that comes in, best believe I'm going to do another unboxing. Special thanks to Hive for sponsoring this video. Guys, if you want your free box, make sure you click the link below. Or if you're watching this on TikTok or Instagram, click the link in my bio. It'll give you a free box and join the Hive community. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.